We also had our get ordered lessons, so we're going to use that method now to display all the lessons and display them in the correct order. Okay, so I'm just going to create a column 12 div, and this actually bootstrap 4 stylings, and I'll create an unordered list with list group class, and I'm going to use my for each right here. So for each and for each. Remember, we passed in the series into this view. So for each series, get ordered lessons as current lesson. Okay, so we're just going to use a different variable name such that we don't have any conflicts. Then we'll create a list item with the ID of list group item, and for each of this we would simply first of all echo out the name. Okay, so we'll say current lesson title. Okay, so that sounds strange. I'm just going to use L to represent that. So L title. Great. So let's go ahead and check this out. If I refresh, we have introduction to Vue.js. What this course covers: Vue router introduction. Now, if I were to head over to all my series and edit this series by maybe saying I want to talk about this first, so maybe edit this to 200 so that this plays first, and then edit this to 300 so that this plays next, and I refresh, automatically you see we have that reorder right here. Okay, one more thing I want to talk about is we can also check which one is playing and display an icon right here to say this is the current, and we can also have links right here, so we can actually change all of this to links, and the title is actually going to be able to visit that particular course lesson. Okay, so we can echo out the page or the route to watch this particular lesson, which is going to be this route. So route series.watch. Remember, we're passing in the series, which is series slug, and we're passing in lesson, which is LID. Okay, so when the user clicks on that, he should actually visit that page to watch that lesson. Refresh, and we have those links. So if I click on this, it takes me to lesson 3. Click on this, it takes me to lesson 2, and this one also takes me to lesson 1. So everything seems to be working. Thank you so much. See you in the very next episode.